So welcome to the second vlog of the day. Yeah, £7's not the worst. I've got Lucozade. I've got a New York, what is it? A New York special chicken bites, of course. And I want to do something. Oh, what is it? New York deli, yeah. It's one real scam there. I spoke to this bus stop at the moment. It says I'll be 6 minutes late, but I'm now going to FC Kirkby versus some team. Huyto was it? And fucking yeah, the bus times are a bit wrong there, and I got there earlier than I thought. So fingers crossed it's the same today. Don't miss anything, but if I do, super giant Kirkland, they have the video anyway. So whatever the best, I'll still be able to see the goal later on. Hell of a walk this. Up this steep thing here, another one. Jesus. I knew this area existed, but not like this. The fact that you still have to walk up there. Finally. Here's the bus stop here. How the fuck can a bus be delayed? Every single fucking bus. And it says you only just updated a minute ago that it's delayed. Oh, typical. Parkbrow drive. That bus was only meant to take 40 minutes. It's gone and taken fucking an hour 15. Of course. Fucking that. Oh. Stops off at every stop. And he's meant to stop on that corner over there, and he's stopped around the other side. The wrong bus stop. Hopefully it's still, well, smush him on parky. Well, should I say, I've done it again, haven't I? Rafa to win. Fucking, yeah. I don't want to miss a goal either, but saying that. Pricey and all that's got it on their phone, so yeah, I apologise for being late again. But yeah, hopefully haven't missed much. But yeah, it's Britannia against obviously Rafa in the cup. The score position, we're going to go 4-1. It's FC Rafa, as you can see, they're playing over there. Even like the high-vis kits, and even fucking moved the kick-off an extra half an hour because of how busy the place was beforehand, and still I'm late. Just baffled out there, the bus stopped just there and he just hasn't stopped there at all. Why? I don't know, but yeah, I'm ready to know anyway. The Eddie McCardle. It's still good to be here, like. Right, I know what to predict. It'll be 1 or 2-0 now, yeah. And the goals happened I got here when I was in the toilet. I can guarantee you that's what's happened, but yeah. Last time when Eddie McCardle was on that field here. Now it's on this. So it's technically a new field, but yeah, not a new ground, but I don't mind. See ya, Rafa. Can Rafa proceed to the next round of the cup and bounce back from 4-2's defeat last season. 4-2's defeat last season. 4-2 defeat last week against this Liverpool development. Why do I get tongue twisted, man? I think Britannia in the league below, but it doesn't mean we can take them for granted. So yeah, should be interesting. Like, who are they wearing PSG kits there, are they? Yeah, give Huyto and Johno, please, back soon. Oh, unlucky. So, look at that. Now Britannia live at the crossbar, eh? But she just did it, still 0-0. They have a good one. But yeah, fuck it. Oh, I was really scared here. Still 0-0 at least. Don't miss nothing. Got minutes. As I wish. He's off the pitch, mate. Oh, well in. It's brilliant to keep that in. Unlucky, lad. That's a free kick anyway. That's alright. Oh, but I was here just in time. I've got it on this one as well. And it's another recess goal over the wall. It's a brilliant finish. Once again. Reece with another fantastic goal. Aye, got here just in time. Oh. Tackle that, like.
Through the back of him!
But at least we've got to adjust them down the top. Barbie of 14 minutes late.
Even if you didn't tire, I had it on Pricey's phone, so you'll take it anyway.
Oh, unlucky lad. I thought that was handball, wasn't it?
That was handball.
Any of them.
It's ball out there.
Ball, ref.
I think he was trying to pass to him, but he would have been offside anyway. Oh, I'm behind the goal. Oh,
Back with Pricey, yeah, fans.
What the fuck did all that come from? Jesus. Whatever he was saying, fucking, why are you videoing the game? Because I'm a fucking vlogger. Vloggers Sunday League should be happy and fucking vlogging the game. No, he'd rather than so what? Well, I was a fucking vlog a game if I fucking want him. He can't tell me not to either. I just think the centre back for backing me up, like, you know what I mean? He's a legend, him. Johnny, yeah, fucking legend, him. And then he called Johnny and Maggie. Like, what the fuck?
I'll fucking run back to that car right now and get my boost in 2 foot to cunt.
I just don't understand it at all. Like, he should be happy that I'm fucking vlogging his team or even either team, promoting his fucking team, you know what I mean? On my channel. He's not happy I'm fucking vlogging it, then fuck off, innit? Like, if you're a football player, you've got to expect people to video some games, you know what I mean? Baffles me, that. Absolutely baffles me. Yeah, Johnny Legend there, backing me up. Strange. He must have recognised me off TikTok or something. Probably not happy that the fucking losing, but don't take it out on me.
Don't get it back, Ducky.
What did that scrap even start from, lad?
Because one of their players starts at a challenge on Pricey, and instead of just leaving it, he stands up and stands on Pricey's leg.
Bit ratty, hadn't he?
No way you've seen that. Steve, relax, head up, Steve.
That's what you get, mate.
He's the one who fucking told me off for vlogging or something. As if he's the fucking boss of the Football Association.
No, he's mad, him.
I'm allowed to vlog whatever game I want. Good bit of movement there.
Oh, get up, mate! Missed.
Hey, lad! 10! Shots off, bud.
Well blocked. Come on, Johnny, lad. He's right, Johnny, lad. He's right. Still done well to keep hold of that.
Man on your right, man on your shoulder. Same way, yes. Get it. Touch back.
What a ball. Oh.
Get up.
He did a good touch, like, but give him the credit despite the fact that he had a guard. He fought it, yeah. Record well, fucking lad.
Well, in Johnny. On Batman.
Johnny's unbelievable, isn't he?
Yeah.
I think we missed him last week.
Yeah. Jump like Batman.
Hard unlucky. Great tackle that.
Rushing the passes, though. Are you doing well to keep them and not you there? That's it, get it back, Tucky! Get it back! Get it!
Yeah, there's far too many of them passes at the moment, though. Got to improve on them a little bit.
Johnny, get over there. Yes, I'll come with you. Oh, feet. Well done. Fucking ref is down! You haven't given that one! Oh, you haven't given that!
Brilliant dad again, mate. Oh, two Huytos are brilliant, aren't they?
Yeah.
It's half time, mate. It's 1-0. I think it's been a solid half. Both teams have played well, but yeah. Wins it out. How much longer we have? I think Britannia could. What was he on about there, lad?
He's a fucking tit, lad.
Fucking moaned for vlogging the game.
He's a tit.
But yeah, 1-0 half time. Brilliant free kick. Yeah, enjoyed the second half, I reckon. 3-0. Be interesting. Really good there, Pricey, lad. So good going forward. Ooh.
The kid who called us stuff has gone off.
Yeah,
He's there.
Thought it was empty.
Okay, now picked it up and gone all over you.
Thought it was empty.
So I think
He just stands on his legs, stood full force.
it's bad that, like, but fucking, you know what? Yeah, I think that's why he's probably angry because I was vlogging it. What a save that is, Middo. It is Middo, isn't it?
Yeah, middle.
Balls came across, he's tipped it out. It's a good shot, to be fair, from Britannia, but yeah, it makes a good save as well. Johnny, lad. Unlucky there, Johnny, lad.
That's it, mate. Still here. Still here. Right back as well, eh? That's it, stay on the stone, lad. Defend first, boys. Come on.
Yeah, I don't think Britannia have been bad at all, but Rafa's been good too. Mido's a good keeper, you know.
I know. He used to be a keeper.
If you can keep a clean sheet, yeah, it's 2 clean sheets in 2.
You know Gibbo?
Yeah.
He used to be a keeper for, I think it was Everton, and then he got his nose broke, and then he got his eye was not his eye, his nose broke, and then he hasn't won keeping ever since.
It's a really good ball, unlucky keeper. Referee's really not giving Nottingham Park his way, but Rafa's way. Rafa's way since the fucking free kick that he scored, that's about it. Johnny's done really, really good again there. Never really had the problem with players having a video in the games like before. Fans, yes, not players though. Oh god. Yeah, Britannia haven't been bad, to be fair to them. They have put on a good shift, and yeah, I might have vlogged the fucking actual game, even though you're getting beat and all that, and yeah, you might have stood on Pisces like, wish I didn't get on camera, that's why you were angry. But yeah, I don't know, but either way, can try to promote teams, don't I?
Exactly, get the ball in the box. Give him options, lad. On your back. Johnny, stand.
Lucky there, but ball in the box there was causing a little bit of danger. Brilliant ball. Oh, unlucky piece. Oh, it's in the back of the net in the end.
I thought that was Liam, to be honest.
Fantastic ball from Reece Rifles.
Yeah.
Good headed across. Knee finish. And Rafa extending the lead. Confidence levels must have gone up here from, you know, Rafa. Oh, it's brilliant, that Pricey. Oh. If he just got a little touch, that would have been in, but that's unreal, that from Pricey, the back heel. Yeah. It's unreal, Reece. Another dangerous looking corner from Reece. By the way, good job he didn't take Reece off then, by the way. Otherwise, the corner might have break differently. I mean, the fellow who was coming on, he's a good player, but you know what I mean? Good Reece's deliveries and everything. Yeah, Chris, he's a good player, but like fucking Reece, he's brilliant as well. Oh. And a penalty to Rafa. Yeah, the referees actually give it.
Surprised me. Me? I've got a picture of you, yeah.
That's a good save, that. It's a very good save. Give him the credit there. Good stop save on the keeper. Which keeps at 2-0 for now, but yeah. I think the penalty was a well taken penalty going in the corner. How the keeper's got to the corner like that. It's beyond me how good it was. Unlucky Johnny, lad.
Whose hair's that?
The fuck, lad? Yeah, one of their players stood on one of our ankles again, yeah. Forgot his name, but
Huyto.
Huyto's ankles.
Was it Huyto?
And then one of our players just went, yeah, because he stood on the ankles, because they were like, don't understand why.
Actually, I don't think it was Huyto who got his ankle stood. I don't know. I won't listen.
Johnny, lad.
Who are you talking about, Craig?
Not too sure, I think so.
Number 15? Craig.
He's a good player, Craig.
Yeah.
All that. And goal on the good corner. Which led to the second. Brilliant.
Come on, Steve, well done.
Really good, that.
Right, yeah, no, right. Let's place. Right, come here, lad. Right, yes, right.
Tell you what, some of these little back heels and everything from Pricey today's been excellent.
Get behind him. Well in, Steve. Referee! Wow. What? I leave it. Keep going.
I mean, showing like that could be a bit wild, but like, either way, it's a decent result, to be fair. I know they're in the league below, but you can see Premier League teams even losing against teams in the league below them, so.
Yeah.
The fact that the teams in the league below are likely to give a good fucking performance, which Britannia have done, to be fair to them. But fucking, yeah, two decent well-made goals from, yeah, Rafa. I mean, that one wasn't well. He clipped his ankle this time. It was one of the players who clipped another ankle this time, so yeah.
That's him.
Can't complain with that one. The defending though for both teams have been good. Like, Britannia can say that they defended well if, you know, only conceded from a free kick and a fucking corner. But we defended really well as well. Got to quite a lot of the time. Them last pictures of Pricey done there, heavy lad.
I think you'll be taking Liam off.
Liam's had a good game.
It'll either be Liam or Johnny who takes off.
So,
Don't know. Maybe Pricey.
can he tackle there from Pricey though?
Is he a beef or anything?
Who knows what? He got the ball, but yeah, he didn't go through the back of the, but he still got the ball.
Did you see Craig gets tackled? Joe?
Brilliant Johnny lad.
Open your body up. Ducky's there, Ducky's inside, Ducky's inside. Go Ducky. Yes, Duck. No, Duck. Ducky right box on. We stand up. Fucking hell, lad. Alright. Nice, mate.
Another ankle clipper there.
Didn't clip that.
So that's a crack and roll. How's he?
Oh my god.
I have to watch it back because I've done this far too many times. I would have said it's a mad decision when I
Sorry, man.
yeah.
Man on. Take a foul. Hey. I'm playing him. You know?
Come over there.
Go on, Keith. Go on, keep going, Keith. Keep going. Hey, start Rafa or not? He's good in this kid, you know.
He is. I do rate him, to be fair. Love it when you do that. Like, I was waiting for you to do something like that. Makes me laugh every vlog I'm watching. Yeah, you can see you going like all sorts.
Come on, Blythe.
Yeah, it's a good run from him there. He was unlucky there, like. Huh? Brilliant tackle there. Oh, unlucky Pricey. Keeping them good to get that, like. Ah. Boss tackle there, can you see that?
Go on, Kate! Go on, Kate! Ref! They fucking well, lad!
Go out if you want!
This referee's fucking shocking, you. Hey! Get it down, Tom, get off the zone! There you go. You get something here, Price, you get something, lad! Why have we stopped up front?
Same lad again, lad, you fucking fouled us like 90 times, I'm sure.
Rafa, stay switched on! Rafa, stay switched on!
Got another mid-o clean sheet, honestly. But yeah, jinxing it. Good though. Well, claim was. He's so good though, he comes out, claims the ball. That save it, but she got the full save. She got how many pounds of the way when it came to his hands. Didn't get the shot. He's ball saved.
Hey, get in!
He went and got the ball. I think it could have been a push, I don't even know. Because he got the ball, but he pushed at the same
win
time.
again, lads! Rafa win! Good kick, lad. Well done, Tomo. Come on, Steve. Drive for it, Steve! Drive! Get in! Lovely challenge, you two. Hey, good tackle, you two.
I thought that was going in me.
Fucking love it. Rafa win
Fuck,
again!
strong challenge,
Rafa
like,
win!
weren't it? It was a fair one as well.
Come on, Tomo, right? Come on, come on.
Because with this game, we didn't expect to fully win it. I know we did predict, I think, 4-1 to us, but at the same time, obviously, at the same time, could lose. At the same time, it could be a slippy one.
Yeah.
Britannia are a good team in their own way. And, you know what I mean? The fucking...
Do you mean in the dirty way? So obviously been doing this whole game fouling us. This is all been doing.
Oh, Pricey, isn't he?
Keep going, Pricey! Right!
Unlucky, lads.
Jockey,
Yeah, with Britannia in the league below, and teams in the league below can always cause shocks and wins to you. So good to at least get a win here. Well,
go on.
As we all know it is so far. Oh, lovely 1-2 there, and then the defended it well, clears it. It's full time. 2-0 to the Rafa. There's Rafa back to winning ways.
2-0? I thought it was 3-0, mate.
Nah, 2. Scored the free kick and then from the corner. Yeah, good in the end. Bossed out, fucking got off. Did a bus and all.
Yeah.
What the fuck's my mention of him?
You guys
all
that
by
point, don't you?
Just get fucked.
Yeah.
I'm right sick and I'm That's why everyone's late. The driver's got off and smoke. Rather doing a shift. Okay, that is cool. So there we go. Heineken. I have here belted off. Walking back to mine. So then, a new ground done this morning, and obviously Kirkby Parkbrow, new pitch, but still counts the same ground on footballogy, unfortunately. But I enjoyed that game today, it was good. Both games I enjoyed, including Parkbrow's. I'm glad to see him back me up, but like, it's mad how someone had the problem because I was vlogging his team. It still baffles me, it makes me laugh at the same time, because like, you know what I mean, just giving his team a little bit of recognition at the end of the day. But if you all enjoyed, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Another vlog up the fucking Rafa. I'm gonna say the Parky back me and then say the Rafa back me, because I keep forgetting the team's changed names, but we're a bit more familiar this week other than last week. Have a good one. Bosh. Gammon. Pash. Veg. And a mighty England 3-1 victory.